Another day, another POV's pickpocket arrested in Venice, Italy. A reminder to stay vigilant. In a busy crowd near the Hard Rock Cafe, a pickpocket was apprehended today by two vigilant police officers. Tourists watched in astonishment as the suspect was arrested, highlighting once again the challenges that Venice faces as one of the world's most popular tourist destinations. Pickpocketing has long been a problem in Venice, where crowded streets, bustling squares, and packed tourist spots provide ample opportunities for pickpockets. Despite the city's stunning canals, historic architecture, and vibrant culture, visitors are reminded to always be cautious with their personal belongings. The arrest today serves as a clear warning. Even in the heart of Venice, no one is immune to theft. Tourists are advising to keep bags safe, wallets secure, and to stay alert, especially in crowded areas or near popular landmarks. Local authorities continue to patrol tourist heavy zones, and incidents like this one underscore the importance of public vigilance. Venice remains a magical destination, but like any major tourist city, it attracts opportunistic criminals looking for easy targets. Tips for staying safe in Venice: keep bags safe and close to your body. Avoid putting wallets or phones in back pockets. Be cautious in crowded areas, especially around attractions like Hard Rock Cafe, St. Mark's Square, and the Rialto Bridge. Report any suspicious behavior immediately to local authorities. Tourists who witnessed the arrest applauded the swift action of the police, noting that such visible interventions can deter future crime. While Venice remains a safe city overall, this incident is a stark reminder that vigilance is key. Atensyon pickpocket, atensyon pickpocket, atensyon pickpocket, atensyon pickpocket.